Given y equals to x plus 1 over x, find dy dx, and hence find integration of 2x plus 1 over 2x squared with respect to x. So to differentiate y equals to x plus 1 over x, you may use quotient rules, but I'm not going to use quotient rules because we can simplify x plus 1 divide with x first. So if we have x divide with x is 1, and 1 divide with x is x to the power of negative 1. So now it will be easier to differentiate. So differentiate y with respect to x is dy dx equals to, differentiate 1 with respect to x is 0, differentiate x to the power of negative 1 using power rules is, so bring negative 1 to the front, copy down x, the power negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2, or you may write down as negative 1 over x squared. So we know that integration is antiderivative. If we integrate negative 1 over x squared dx, so we're going to get x plus 1 over x, and don't forget to plus with c. This is actually the y, okay? So there is negative here, so I can bring to the right hand side, so it become negative here. So what's the question? We have integration of 2x plus 1 divide with 2x squared with respect to x. So let's do some simplifying here, just like we did for x plus 1 divide with x. So 2x divide with 2x squared is 1 over x, and if I differentiate my 1 divide with 2x squared is 1 over 2x squared. So now let us integrate. So integrate 1 over x is ln x, and as for this one, we can use integration of 1 over x squared. So 1 over 2 is a constant, so let it be 1 over 2, and integrate 1 over x squared, integrate 1 over x squared with respect to x, we're going to get negative x plus 1 over x, so negative x plus 1 over x, and don't forget to plus with a c. Yep, that's it.